Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Snapchat camera problem. If you try to take picture from Snapchat camera and it's turned into half, then I'll show you how can you turn into full. Just simply you have to close this page and just simply you have to open App Store and look at for Snapchat and make sure that if you have an updated version. So after that guys, just simply you have to go back from here. If you don't have your updated version, just simply you have to update and just simply check whether your problem has been fixed or not. And if once it's there guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to open any browser in your phone and just simply search for Snapchat old version. So before this you have to delete your Snapchat app. So delete this one and just simply you have to go to the browser and just simply search for Snapchat old version. Just simply tap on first link. Now just simply scroll it down a bit and locate for this app. As you can see guys, December 18 2022, Snapchat 12.11.1.28. just simply tap on this. Now from here just simply you have to download this app, and after that your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.